In this introduction, I'm going to introduce you to experiences. Experiences is a really popular feature of the system. Almost 95% of all users of the system use the experiences in some fashion or form. The experiences area is the front-facing aspect of the system. It allows you to create social campaigns such as Instagram contests, the ability to actually showcase the content from your brand advocates and your influencers in public fashions. So, for example, you're able to insert this onto a TV, a website, your mobile app, etc. So, let me dive in and show you how to create your first experience from A to Z. So, the first thing is to navigate to the very top and create new experience. You have three different experiences to choose from. You have your web and mobile hub, your social commerce, and your TV. The web and mobile allow you to create and aggregate content and allows you to insert this content into your website, your mobile app, or your mobile website. The social commerce allows you to actually aggregate content from social media and be able to actually turn them into shoppable pieces of content. Really great if you have an e-commerce website. The TV aspect of it allows you to take content and display it on any size TV. So for this demo, let's create a web and mobile hub, which is probably the most popular experience. So let's give it a name, and we'll give this name here called Travel Zoo, which is one of my favorite travel online brands. We'll select a narrative, and we'll select travel, click on continue. From right here is where you actually connect the social networks where you want to aggregate the content from. You have the ability to do Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So in this demo, let's select the Instagram account, which is very popular. So what's happening here is that it's actually connecting to whatever the connection is on the browser. So in this demo, I'm already connected to a Instagram account on my web browser, so that is why the prompt never came up. If you are not connected, it will give you a prompt to sign in. So select the content type. You have the ability to actually take content from the connected account. The account allows you to actually aggregate content from any public account, any public hashtag, or any geolocation. So in this case here, let's do a hashtag, and let's do hashtag travel zoo. Let's do a search. Okay, no data was found on that one. I think it's because I actually added a hashtag. Yep, that's it. So just a rule of thumb, do not add a hashtag in front of here. It already knows that you're looking for a hashtag. The second drop down that comes right under are actually suggested hashtags. So this is the one that I want to choose. Continue. Gives you a little overview. Looks good. Create my experience. Give it a few seconds. What's happening right now, it is actually going on to the social web, and it's going to begin actually aggregating content. The next thing you want to do is actually begin to moderate the content. So in this demo right here, you'll see that all the content that is coming in right now is all from hashtag Travel Zoo. It's all coming in chronological order with the latest one from 39 minutes ago. So very simply, I would just check mark the ones that I want to bring in. So for example, check this. This is a beautiful cliff. Let's do this video, and we'll do one more of this beautiful fireplace. So as you're aggregating content, it's going into the second tab, which is called the moderated tab. And the moderated tab allows you to it's more of like a staging area where you're able to, ensure this is the content that you do want to be published. You have the ability to do certain types of things. So if you roll over the menu option right here, you're able to actually tag the content. The tagging the content allows you to actually organize it and give it kind of meta keywords. We go into a little bit deeper in the tagging of the content in a later video. You have the ability to actually edit the category. So you have the option to actually create categories. So if you wanted to kind of, break up the content in different areas. So for example, you wanted to do sunset, beaches, and museums, you're able to do that here. One of the most popular features in this area is actually the ability to actually acquire the rights of this actual photo. And really quickly here, how this works here is that it actually submits a comment on this photo, and it says, "Hi, we love your picture. If you allow us to use it, just respond back with hashtag yes." And what happens is that as they respond back with hashtag yes, you get notified, letting you know that this user said, okay, it's fine. Average success rates are uply around 90% of people that typically say yes to use it, if it's coming from the actual brand itself. We go into a little bit more detail in another video on this area right here. So assuming that everything here looks good, and I want to publish here, I can do one by one, or I can do a select all. I go to approve. All the content gets moved to a publish, and if I wanted to do a live preview, I click on the live preview area, and the content would appear right here. I can actually take this content and actually begin to actually insert it into my web page. And I can quickly do this by navigating to the design area, where I have the ability to actually design the theme of this whole entire hub. So if I wanted to change any colors, any fonts, all that is done here. But if I navigate all the way to the bottom of it, I actually have my embed code. So I would take this code right here, I would copy it, and I would insert it into any HTML page, and the experience will load directly into there. Going up here to the feeds area, I'm actually able to connect multiple accounts. So if I wanted to add another hashtag or a geolocation, I can put here Medici Sherman Oaks, for example. Click on search. It's going to find the address. I do press add. And now I'm able to actually bring in content from that location as well too. And I will navigate back to show you how that looks like. I can connect Facebook, Twitter, and if I have a HaloCam account set up, I can actually bring in all the content directly into the moderator. So going back to the moderate area really quick, if I come down on this drop down, you'll see now not only do I have the hashtag that I originally put, but now I actually have the location. So it will pull out any content that has been tagged from that location. It's really cool if you have a physical retail location or a restaurant or an event where people are not using the hashtags, but they are tagging the location that is found in Instagram. Great way of discovering content. So just like the hashtag, I can quickly press the approve button and so forth, and it goes into the moderated, and that's how the experiences area works. There's a lot of features, a lot of options and benefits to the experiences area. We go into this a little bit further in detail in other videos. If you want a one-on-one demo of this area, please contact our support team, and we're more than happy to kind of show you around. Thank you so much.